Can I?
You say yeah.
You're done. Can I? Can I?
God, you really want that to go over?
Can I? No. Can I? No.
Ew. Sky, your finger was touching wasabi.
They're so comfortable.
Aww. I had to cough first. Aww. What?
Can you feel that?
This is unbelievably gay. Well, quite the opposite, actually.
Cool. I can smile now. I'm Japanese, and I'm just not real bitch.
Sky, I get to do that every day.
Woohoo.
Harley.
I want to have a boyfriend.
You're moving.